Welcome back to the new video, guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone guys home screen mode setting. Guys, in this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your home screen mode in your oppo phone. So friends, you want to change your home screen mode in your oppo phone, so friends you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change home screen mode in oppo phone. So then first of all, open your phone setting to change your home screen mode, guys. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see guys your home and lock screen setting. Friends, tap here. Let's click on home screen mode setting, guys. Tap here and guys you can see your home screen mode. So you want to change your standard mode, so as you can change from here and guys apply and switch. So your home screen mode will change in your oppo phone, and guys you can see your all icon here, and guys you cannot swipe up like that. Guys, you can change your home screen mode in your oppo phone. So and guys you can use your home screen mode setting like that in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. And guys, before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye.